learn how Are you ready to learn how you can make $40,000 a year farming just a quarter of an acre? It might sound impossible, but with careful planning and a smart approach, it's achievable even for a single person. Here's how. First, let's break down the strategy. You'll be focusing on high-value products like turnip pickles and turnip green soup. These products offer higher profit margins and can be sold across multiple channels, including farmers markets, pop-up shops, local restaurants, Etsy, and Facebook. Startup costs are kept low, around $3,000 to $4,500. This covers essentials like soil amendments, seeds, packaging, basic food processing equipment, and necessary permits. You'll also need to invest in marketing to create a brand that stands out in your local community and online. Once you've got your operation set up, the annual operating cost will be manageable, typically between $3,000 and $4,500. This includes seeds, packaging, utilities, transportation, and other minor expenses. With careful management, these costs are kept low, ensuring that your profit margins remain high. Now, let's talk revenue. By selling turnips, turnip greens, pickles, and soup across these channels, you can realistically generate about $42,200 in annual revenue. Farmers markets and pop-up shops are excellent for direct customer interactions, while platforms like Etsy and Facebook expand your reach to online buyers. What's the bottom line? After covering all your expenses, you're looking at a net income of around $37,000 to $39,000 per year. And since you're only farming a quarter acre, it's a manageable workload for one person, allowing you to maintain quality while maximizing profits. So, yes, it is possible to make $40,000 a year farming just a quarter of an acre. It takes smart planning, strategic sales, and a focus on high-value products, but with dedication, you can achieve it.